There is a proposal in the House of Representatives that seeks to reduce the tax burden on individual and corporate taxpayers. However, this early, the BIR has expressed its opposition to the proposal. This report.
Congressman Magtanggol Gunigundo proposed House Bill 4099, a bold measure to reduce the burden of individual and corporate taxpayers. The Gunigundo measure will cut the current 32% for individuals and 30% for corporations to just 15%. Based on his studies, it will broaden the tax base and enhance compliance. Gunigundo stressed the reduction of income taxes will enable individual taxpayers to have additional disposable income to save or spend. Enhanced purchasing power will mean more consumption for the collection of value-added tax, but it will cost 90 billion pesos in lost revenues for government. Gunigundo also stressed the cut in corporate taxes will create more jobs and the purchase of valuable goods to enhance the operations of their companies. For him, the measure will plug loopholes and leakages in the collection of taxes.
Lahat ng revenue targets natin is going to be based on existing policy. Okay. So, anong sinasabi nila? Hindi, magkakaroon ng drop yan. Well, initially, magkakaroon siguro ng 90 billion peso drop sa revenue targets ng ating Bureau of Internal Revenue. But don't look at it as government loss because this 90 billion pesos is after-tax income.
BIR Commissioner Kim Henares is opposed to Gunigundo's proposal. Henares said there are 4 pending measures to include the rationalization of fiscal incentives and the modernization of the Customs Bureau that should first be approved.
When after you pass these 4 laws, we can sit down and really look at the structure of taxation. But when you look at the structure of taxation, it is not just a matter of rebracketing and lowering rate. You have to look at the whole thing. No? You have to simplify it, do away with certain things, no? Remove some exemption, remove some exclusion, so that you don't keep on coming back to the BIR. So the way the tax is going to be, it's simpler. And the other thing is you have to have a tax-neutral proposal.
Henares also stressed the measure will mean heavy losses in revenue generation of government, which could affect the funding of the national budget. It could also double the deficit of 260 billion pesos projected for 2014.
Government spend, it's from tax money. So if you basically cut off 290 billion, where will government get the money to build the infrastructure that the investor want to see before they come in? Where will you get the money to train our people so that they have their skills, they have the skill to be able to get to jobs? So basically, that's just argument. No? And the other thing, the greatest generator of the economy is really government. So you basically cut off 290 billion from government spending. So how will you generate velocity in the economy?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.